Good evening and welcome all of you for the Smithfit Weekly 32. And we are here today on the occasion of Holi. So, first of all, happy Holi and wish you all a very, very happy summers that are beginning. So, since the Mahashivratri and Holi are two very important festivals in our culture that actually bring in the summers and the transition that all of us experience during the winters moving on to the summers actually remind us of many things. Mainly we start with the anticipation towards mangoes, right? And mangoes as fruits will come in, but before that, this whole Holi and festival of colors actually brings in a lot of energy. Uh, of course, this year we are struggling with the restrictions related to COVID and things like these. But let us celebrate this occasion today with what we have and online. So we have organized a small, fun piece today. Today we are not going to talk about any metrics, or we are not going to talk about any of the topics that are more analytical. Today is a fun session. So I'm going to start with asking a little bit of questions to our Smith fitters, and of course there are some hard questions that Rudrakshi has designed. But my questions, or my topic to begin with, is slightly light, and that is going to take all of you towards your memories as children. And how was it that you used to actually celebrate Holi when you were 10 years old, is my question. So to Priya, Sudhir ji and Nandu ji, if you can share, तुम्ही 10 वर्षाचे होतात when you were 10 years old, how was it that you would celebrate Holi, Dhulwad and Rangapanchami?
Uh, Actually, as far as I remember, it was more Ranga Panchami than Holi in Maharashtra that time, at least. So Holi, I think the day celebration was mostly used to be in North India. In Maharashtra, it was mostly Ranga Panchami, and of course we used to go around playing colors all over the place, and the parents used to scold us. And Holi, I think the tradition was to burn woods at that time, but uh, that was less popular than Ranga Panchami. Ranga Panchami used to be very popular in schools.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Sudhirji. And I would add on with Priya. What is your experience like when you were 10 years old?
Yeah, so this was, we used to live in a village called Rasaini, very close to Panvel, Patal Ganga area. Okay, and it was like just one factory, and all of us lived in that area, kind of the quarters. So Holi was, now I frankly don't, that time I didn't even know Ranga Panchami and all that, but होळी जनरली म्हणजे होळी पेटवणं, मग आम्ही ते लाकडं गोळा करायचो आणि असं सगळं, म्हणजे एव्हरीबडी गॉट थिंग्स फ्रॉम द गार्डन, सो दॅट बर्निंग द bonfire was very critical. Then purnachi poli was obviously made at home. And फक्त गुलाल आठवतो मला. I don't think there was any other color per se. This was when I was 10, and after that we went to Delhi, and 1 month or 15 days before Holi, मला एकाने तो फुगा मारला, एका कोणीतरी. And that was my, okay, this is called Holi or Holi, or whatever you say. So those are my memories of Holi. पण पुरणाची पोळी वगैरे आणि ते bonfire, आणि those are more of those memories than playing too much as a colors. I like dry colors, but I'm not a very big fan of wet colors and all that. Yes, I would also love some bhang.
There you go. Superb. So that was 10 year plus the remaining ones talking, but
summary till now.
no. Great. I remember when I was 10 years old, we were in a Vada, and so there was, so, houses wise, everybody used to be at everybody's place. So there was no one house. All the tenants, they who were living in that Vada used to be, it was one big family. So फुगे फुगवणं पाण्याचे आणि एकमेकांवरती मारणं, like Priya mentioned, was a usual thing, and that was the time when people would also color other unknown people, unknown, people who would walk by the streets. You just color them, like small children, of course, not the elder ones, because elder ones might get a little offended by that. But getting offended, and the other side of getting offended is being uninhibited. So Holi is one time जेव्हा आपण बोंब मारायचो. So we used to say that all those who people we don't like, okay, we would shout out whatever we wanted to, taking their names. So uh, so it was an official day to actually uh, you know talk freely about whoever you wanted to, and it was all allowed. त्यामुळे वाड्यामध्ये, in the courtyard, you would actually shout out loud about all those people who you don't like within the Vada itself, and they would be listening to it, sitting in their houses. So bomb marane was a very, very usual thing, and Sudhirji, you might be able to relate to it. In olden days, bomb marane was a very significant thing.
Yes, it's very common, and that was the kind of a way to psychologically relieve your social pressure once a year. Just like the Halloween in Western countries, one day you can be anybody. So the one day in the Holi, you can shout anything you want without a second being concerned about it.
Absolutely.
And that's why we also say Burana Mano Holi hai.
Yeah. Nanduji, what was your 10-year-old experience?
Basically, it was more on the Holi side. Like when you lit the Holi, then you move around to get firewood for that. And the firewood used to come from the people who used to sort of scold us when we used to snatch Peru or Sitafar from their garden.
Gardens.
So the idea was to snatch some pot or something. I was in Nagpur. So the usual practice is from Holi onwards, people start sleeping in the open, in the
Yeah.
it's not in the house. So that used to start even before Holi because of the heat. So people are sleeping, means their pots and all these things are kept in the compound. So
Right.
snatch them, just snatch it, come running, and nearest Holi, put it in the
All right. So that was your
usual Puran Poli and watercolors next day morning. So from
Absolutely.
say 9 o'clock, we used to come down from the house. Then up to 11:30, all the people in the what you call locality, children, we used to play Holi in somebody's compound.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I'm going to add Gandhali to the discussion. Gandhali, hi and welcome.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Just finished your celebrations of your
Yeah,
birthday, and
belated
today we
happy
are
birthday,
celebrating
Gandhali, in
Holi.
person.
Yes,
Thank you, thank
happy
you,
belated
everyone.
birthday, Gandhali.
Thank you everyone.
So we are talking about when you were 10 years old and what was like Holi and Ranga Panchami at that point in time. So
Right.
Sudhirji, Priya, Nanduji, all of them shared what they felt, and I see some more Smithfitters coming in. So I included you in the discussion, Gandhali, saying that how was it when you were 10 years old? What are your memories of Holi and Ranga Panchami?
Oh my god, I was in Italkaranji. I don't know how many of you have heard about this place. It's near Kolhapur. It's a small
It's
town,
near
right?
Sangli, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yes. So, celebrations, I think there are 2 days, right? So, Holi is a proper Holi when you lit the fire and all that. And the next, after 5 days of that, is actually Ranga Panchami. So, Sulkaranji being I will not call cosmopolitan, but a lot of Marwadi influence because of the
Ah,
cotton industry. So, we
correct.
used to play colors on Holi itself and on Ranga Panchami also. So, the both days. So, the whole week long celebration where you go to the ground to lit the fire, and mom used to send the whole typical te bhogiचं जेवण म्हणतात ना, for the prasad for Holi, and also used to take there and all. So that was one day. And then the Ranga Panchami day is like from the morning to evening,
Ah,
various groups.
correct.
You play with your friends, you play with your families, and various groups throughout the day. So I
Absolutely.
remember taking bath 4-5 times in a day, and again getting ready with a new set of clothes and go down and play again.
There
So
you
it was
go.
fun. It was fun.
Superb. And now coming to Rishikesh ji, how
Sir.
was how was your Ranga Panchami when you're 10 years old?
Yeah, actually, I hail from Bhopal, and Bhopal is one city where they play Rang Panchami with as much fervor as in Holi. So we used to have actually the playing of color twice, once on the Holi and once on the Rang Panchami. So only difference was, I think, Holi that time using the oil paints was very popular. So on the Rang Panchami, that it used to take 5 days for those that paint to wear off with a lot of kerosene. Washing your, I mean, you can't even imagine washing your hands and washing your hair with kerosene. So fortunately, on the Rang Panchami, usually people will not use the oil paints, but use the normal paints.
Absolutely. Lovely. Thank you so much, all the Smith fitters. I would hand it over to Rudrakshi now because my question was simple. That what was it like when you were 10? Rudrakshi has got something interesting as questions, and I suppose there is something hidden as a result of that also. Rudrakshi, what are you bringing in for?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you everybody for such amazing experiences of your childhood. It was so good to hear everybody speaking about their young days and as children what you used to do. So I would just like to add one point is that we use colors when we are speaking. So our language includes so many colors and so much so that we take it for granted a number of times. For example, in English, there are so many phrases or idioms like feeling blue or golden opportunity or gray area or white collar or
Pink of health.
yes, thanks Swati for that. In the pink of hair or red carpet, when we say that we have invited somebody and we have given a red carpet, grand welcome. That's what it means. Or once in a blue moon, we used to say that when we used to play basketball, and when we used to actually have a basket, we used to say once in a blue moon hota kadhi sukun sukun. So when the basket used to actually land, we used to say this, that it happens once in a while. Okay, by mistake it must have happened. Even in Marathi, we have so many adjectives associated with particular colors, like lal bhadak, पिवळा धमक, हिरवागार, निळाशार, काळा कुळकुळीत, पांढरा शुभ्र. आणि हे कधी बदलत नाही. दिस नेव्हर चेंजेस, दिस इज ऍज इट इज. अँड दॅट ब्रिंग्स आउट सो मेनी इमोशन्स. सो तो पोपट म्हणजे हिरवागार पेरू असं आपण जेव्हा म्हणतो तेव्हा तो फील आपल्याला येतो. किंवा निळशार पाणी. सो आय थिंक कलर्स रिप्रेझेंट अ लॉट and they bring out so many emotions and so many intense feelings, I believe. So on that note, we have a few rapid fire questions to ask you. And the end result of this is going to be that those who do not know the answer, who cannot answer those questions, are going to put some color on their face, on their clothes, or on a piece of paper. Anything will do, and we will take a photograph later of that. And these colors can be the colors which you have in your home, or it can be simple hardi kunku pan chalel. Anything will do just to celebrate the moment.
Okay.
So, so we all have colors, and those of you who don't have, we would really urge you to, get something from your home, whatever is available.
I'll get something.
Yes,
Yeah, I
thank you
have
so much.
colors, but I love my shirt, so I'm going to get Hardi Kumkum.
No, no.
Give me a minute.
Yeah. And on your face is also okay, just so that we all look very colorful after we
Good
are.
evening, sir. Good to see you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now. Good to see you. Your first session at Smith Fitters.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I'm attending the your session in a metro.
Oh, okay. Fine. Okay. So, sir, we are just going to play this game today, which is moreover related to Holi. And I would just be, putting across a few of these songs here where I would say a dash. You just need to fill in the color. Okay. It's Hindi Bollywood songs. Okay, we'll get started. So the first one is dash Ambar pe chand jab chhaye. Sorry.
Neele.
Correct. Very good. Okay, somebody please take a note who all is mentioning the right answers. Okay.
हमारा हो गया. Me and Gandhali answered.
We are
So
done.
we are done.
It's not like that.
Hey, but
next.
everybody else has to put the color.
Yes.
Yeah, everybody else put colors. Yes, correct.
Yeah. Next is dash दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे मेरा हवा के झोंके.
लाल
Lal
दुपट्टा.
dupatta.
Okay, next. दूल्हे की साली
Hey,
को हरे.
Jahnavi, one sec.
Hare.
Okay, ठीक है. मी फोडलं ते उत्तर.
अरे.
जाऊ दे. Next.
Rishikesh ji is singing it.
Okay, wow.
Oh, wow.
Sir, please go
Can
ahead.
you recollect
No,
the song?
please.
No,
No,
please,
sir, I'll
please.
take a pause. Please sing. Yeah.
No. Go ahead.
Next is dash आसमां सो गया.
नीला.
Okay. ये dash आंखें ये गोरे गोरे गाल.
ये
काली
काली
काली आंखें गोरे गोरे.
Yes, Priya, come on, sing. Very good. Okay. Okay. रंग दे तू मोहे dash.
गेरुआ.
Gerua.
Very nice, yeah. Too good.
Bollywood, you can't beat us.
I'm sure, Gandhali. Okay.
Superstars of Bollywood.
There are 4 colors to be filled up here, and then it says कच्चा पक्का रंग डाला मेरा ओ अंग. मेरा ये अंग.
नीला पीला हरा
And-
गुलाबी कच्चा पक्का रंग.
Wow.
Lovely, Rishikesh ji, lovely.
Superb. What a guess. Awesome. Okay, I think I'm done, Rudrakshi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's kind of the same pattern. Now we have a few questions with us. Sejal, Rudrakshi, and I will be taking turns to ask you this question. And the theme for this is color yourself if you have or haven't done the following things. They'll depend on the question. Okay, so now the first question coming for all of you is color yourself if you haven't filled your EOD details. Yes,
It's not EOD
yesterday.
yet.
Let's not take today, let's take yesterday's.
Done.
Yeah, of course. Priya ma'am has always done it. Do I see a color on Gandhali's paper?
Yeah. I will.
All right.
Hey,
Next one.
this is another way of bomb marne, by the way.
Yes. Color your paper or yourself if you like mangoes.
Oh,
Color
if you
yourself?
like.
If you like mangoes.
I will need to dip myself in color.
Exactly.
Then, okay, Rudraksha, are you asking the next one or should I ask this? I'll go.
Go ahead.
Okay. Color yourself if you have attended the yoga and the isometric session for this week. Both of them.
I have done both.
Great. Are the others coloring? I don't see others doing it. But okay, cool. The next one? Yes, very good. Good. Sejal, next one?
Okay. Color yourself. I think everyone should do this. If
I
you are
hope
proud
so.
to
Better
be
do this.
a Smith fitter.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Of course.
Okay, the next one is color yourself if you like our Friday sessions.
Yeah, okay.
Yay!
Okay, this is very Holi specific. Color yourself if you have sung or danced to Rang Barse on one of your Holi festivities.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, I think somebody should sing that song. Whoever is good at singing.
Janvi.
Janvi, go ahead.
Chalo, chalo, gao.
Why me?
Gao, gao, yaar, come on.
Which song? I don't know any song.
Rang Barse. Hey, come on.
Oh, okay, okay. Rang Barse. I want Rudrakshi also to sing with me. And Anand, obviously.
Go ahead,
Anand is
go
also a
ahead.
good singer.
Yeah, come, we'll all sing.
Yeah, we all sing.
Fun
Okay,
game.
Chalega.
okay. Start, Rudrakshi.
Arey,
Start.
Okay. ओ रंग बरसे भीगे
भीगे
चुनर
चुनर वाली रंग बरसे ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे लिरिक्स क्या आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग
ठीक है
Superb.
Okay, Ketki, you have the next one.
And I'm glad I got this question. Okay, everybody. So next question coming your way is color yourself if you think Anand should get his old look back.
Oh yes.
I am coloring for sure.
For sure. This is for Anand. Okay.
So everybody will color except my wife, I guess.
All right. If everyone's done coloring that, the next question coming up. Color yourself if you think Swati should allow more of cheat days to us.
Yes, yes, everybody will color this.
I will not.
Oh.
Wow, that's the spirit, Priya.
Because this is
No, it's not.
Swati
You
ki
say
sugar
yes
nahi
now,
barta
and
hai.
next session she will scold us. So that's why we are not coming.
No, I think there are enough cheat days even without Swati. Right?
yeah, which she doesn't know, so it's okay.
Okay, the next one we have here. Unfortunately, the member is not here for this question, but okay. So color yourself if you think Kedar sir is very energetic.
Yeah.
Probably one of the most energetic participants.
He's
Of course.
Yes, yes.
one of
The
the
most
most
youngest.
Hey, but where is he today? He's traveling or what?
Anybody knows where he is?
Nandu sir.
Kedar sir.
Kedar sir is, I think, yeah, he replied to me, I won't be able to attend today.
Okay.
That's an elbow exercise, Chalu sir.
We should color ourselves for that comment of Nandu sir, no, really? Okay, next.
Next is color yourself if you think Priya Bam should call us all over for dinner.
Either you color or you don't, you can come over. I'll definitely call you.
Okay, next one again coming for one of our SmithFit health navigators and a doctor from this team. So color yourself if you know the real color of Richa's eyes.
I can color, I know it.
They're hazel, I think. They're hazel.
Richa, do you want to share
Yeah,
something?
I think Isha ma'am is correct. Yeah, technically hazel.
Awesome. All right. Now, okay. Color yourself if one of among you anybody enjoys a little bit of shairi.
Yes.
Rishikesh
I
ji
do.
की पढ़ रहे हैं हम.
If you're saying yes, you need to say something like that. That's what is
Color
used
it.
for this question.
Yeah.
All right.
Wow.
On that note, we have Rishikesh ji. He would love to recite something for us, and then we will analyze our sheets later. So, sir, over to you.
Okay. So let me read something old and something new to you, both of you, or to you. One is picking from the songs that we are doing. So putting the songs in the context, sometimes how difficult it can be. So this is something that I had written old. So first song is रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. So the poem on that, रंग बरसे भीगी चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. अरे होली आने की आस में बैठे थे हम कब से, वो भीगी चुनर वाली दिखाएगी जलवे, हम कह रहे थे सबसे. अब कमबख्त पानी बचाओ का नारा, ये आया ये किधर से. बिना पानी सूखी रही चुनर वाली और हम उसके दरस को तरसे. भाई साहब होली कह के गुलाल लगाई, भाई साहब होली कह के गुलाल लगा गई और हम रह गए भौचक्के से. बिना पानी शर्म से पानी पानी हो गए, हम चुराएं अब नजरें सबसे. रंग बरसे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. Okay. So,
wow, this is
Wow.
Thanks.
क्या बात, क्या बात,
Superb,
क्या बात.
superb.
so another song. होली आई रे कन्हाई रंग छल के सुना दे जरा बांसुरी. तो उसमें है कविता, होली आई रे कन्हाई रंग छल के सुना दे जरा बांसुरी. कन्हैया तुम सीरियसली मत लेना, हमारी बात लग जाएगी बुरी. आज के गोप और गोपिकाओं की टेस्ट का ध्यान रखना है जरूरी. 2-4-5 होली के गाने बज जाएंगे और इवेंट की हो जाएगी खाना पूरी. फिर बजेंगे 4 बोतल वोदका और आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी, तब कौन सुनेगा तुम्हारी बांसुरी. जो है होली आई रे कन्हाई रंग छल के सुना दे जरा बांसुरी.
क्या बात है, क्या बात
And the other one, the song that we are all singing, नीला पीला हरा गुलाबी कच्चा पक्का रंग, रंग डाला मेरा तन मन. नीला फिर पीला फिर हरा और गुलाबी, अरे किस दुनिया में हो जाने मन. कच्चा पक्का दोनों रंग बना के बन जाओगे तुम पर्यावरण के दुश्मन. कब से अखबार और टीवी वाले दिखा रहे हैं इन रंगों के खतरनाक रसायन. बंद करो अब उन रंगों का इस्तेमाल, भले ही सूखा रह जाए तुम्हारा तन मन. केवल नेचुरल रंगों से होली मनाने का शुरू कर दो तुम प्रयत्न. दफ्तर में अपने बॉस को भड़काओ, दफ्तर में अपने बॉस को भड़काओ, कर डालो उससे तुम अनबन. गुस्से में जब वो लाल पीला हो जाए तो भर लो अपने रंगों का बर्तन. पड़ोसी सुंदरी को जिसे तुम सदा ताकते, कह दो उससे आज कि तुम रेखा और मैं बच्चन. शायद चेहरा उसका गुलाबी हो जाए, भर लेना उससे अपने नयन. सुनकर अगर उसके पति ने तुम्हें धो डाला, तो तुम्हारा बदन होगा जैसे नील गगन, तो तुम्हारा बदन होगा जैसे नील गगन. और अगर तुम्हारी श्रीमती जी ने यह देखी है लीला, अगर तुम्हारी श्रीमती जी ने देखी है लीला, तो हो जाएगा तुम्हें इंद्रधनुष का दर्शन. नीला पीला हरा गुलाबी रंग डाला मेरा तन मन. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Fabulous.
So that's something that I had written old and something for today based on what's happening around. So नहीं हो पाएगी रंगों की बौछार, नहीं हो पाएगी रंगों की बौछार. लगी है पाबंदियां इस बार, नहीं खेल पाएंगे हम सारे रंग. चलो वैसे ही कर लेते हैं कुछ हुड़दंग, चलो वैसे ही कर लेते हैं कुछ हुड़दंग. चलो लगाते हैं दिमाग की दौड़, कोरोना की चिंता को पीछे छोड़. चलो लगाते हैं दिमाग की दौड़, कोरोना की चिंता को पीछे छोड़. सोचो होली का दिन हम कैसे मनाएं, सोचो होली का दिन हम कैसे मनाएं अगर स्मिट फिट में वायरस घुस जाए. सोचो होली का दिन हम कैसे मनाएं अगर स्मिट फिट में वायरस घुस जाए. सुबह उठकर जब तुम देखो डोजी, सुबह उठकर जब तुम देखो डोजी, उसमें से निकल के खड़ी हो जाए कोई रोजी. सुबह उठकर तुम जब देखो डोजी, उसमें से निकल कर खड़ी हो जाए कोई रोजी. बोले डार्लिंग तुम मुझे समझो अपना, बोले डार्लिंग तुम मुझे सपनों अपना. आरईएम में तुम मेरा ही देख रहे थे सपना, आरईएम में तुम मेरा ही देख रहे थे सपना. मेरे ख्यालों से हार्ट बीट ऊपर जाती, मेरे ख्यालों से हार्ट बीट ऊपर जाती. मुझे देखकर कुछ देर सांस थम जाती, मुझे देखकर कुछ देर सांस थम जाती. अब ऐसे में कैसे होगी स्लीप रिकवरी, अब ऐसे में कैसे होगी स्लीप रिकवरी. पर आज होली मुबारक हो डोंट वरी, पर आज होली मुबारक हो डोंट वरी. खोलो फिर फिट ऐप कुछ और नजर आए, खोलो फिर फिट ऐप कुछ और नजर आए. जब बीवरेज में भांग और बियर नजर आए, जब बीवरेज में भांग और बियर नजर आए. प्री वर्कआउट स्नैक्स में हो जलेबी और समोसा, प्री वर्कआउट स्नैक्स में हो जलेबी और समोसा. अगर संकोच हो रहा हो तो ले लो मसाला डोसा, अगर संकोच हो रहा हो तो ले लो मसाला डोसा. समय समोसे को देखकर बस सोच लो त्रिकोणासन। समोसे को देखकर बस सोच लो त्रिकोणासन। फिर कुर्सी पर बैठ के करो तुम व्हाट्सएप आसन। फिर कुर्सी पर बैठ के करो तुम व्हाट्सएप आसन। फिर कुछ देर ताड़ासन में खड़े हो जाओ। फिर कुछ देर ताड़ासन में खड़े हो जाओ। बाद में आराम करने शवासन में लौट जाओ। बाद में आराम करने शवासन में लेट जाओ। खाने में अगर बनने वाली हो पूरन पोली, खाने में अगर बनने वाली हो पूरन पोली, तो बस समय पर ले लेना अपनी गोली। तो बस समय पर ले लेना अपनी गोली। ग्लूकोमीटर अगर उस दिन ज्यादा इतराए, ग्लूकोमीटर उस दिन अगर ज्यादा इतराए, तो कहना मेरे पड़ोसी के घर चले जाए। तो कहना मेरे पड़ोसी के घर चले जाए। हर साल होली पर उसे गुलाल लगाते, हर साल होली पर उसे गुलाल लगाते। इस बार तो बस दूर से ही करेंगे मीठी बातें, इस बार तो बस दूर से ही करेंगे मीठी बातें। क्या हुआ अगर किसी ने रंग नहीं फेंका, क्या हुआ किसी ने अगर रंग नहीं फेंका। अगले साल तो हम दे ही देंगे कोरोना को धोखा, अगले साल हम दे ही देंगे कोरोना को धोखा। उस हाइड्रोपोनिक सलाद को आज देना आराम, उस हाइड्रोपोनिक सलाद को आज देना आराम। अरे होली के चखने में सलाद का क्या काम। उस हाइड्रोपोनिक सलाद को आज देना आराम। अरे होली के चखने में सलाद का क्या। बस यार इस बार मत मंगाना तुम कोरोना, बस यार इस बार तुम मत मंगाना कोरोना। किंगफिशर बडवाइजर या बीरा ही बियर पीना, किंगफिशर बडवाइजर या बीरा ही बियर पीना। बिना हास्य योग्य के आज तुम ठहाके लगाना, बिना हास्य योग के आज तुम ठहाके लगाना। यार दोस्तों के साथ जमकर हंसी मजाक करना। और शाम को जब उतरने लग जाए थोड़ी खुमारी, शाम को जब उतरने लग जाए थोड़ी खुमारी, तो भर लेना तुम वो डे एंड समरी, तो भर लेना तुम डे एंड समरी। बिना जूम कॉल के भी तुम उस दिन झूम लेना, बिना जूम कॉल के भी तुम उस दिन झूम लेना। अरे यार बातों बातों में तुम भूल ही गया सबको विश करना। आप सबको होली की मुबारकबाद। धन्यवाद।
Wow,
Okay.
wonderful.
Okay. So now this is for the male members of our Smithfit family. तुम्हाला मला सांगायचं आहे, you have to tell us how do you set दही दही कसं लावायचं. You have to give us the recipe.
दूध थोडं कोमट करा आणि मग त्याच्यामध्ये चमचाभर दही घालून ते घोटा आणि मग थोड्याशा गरम जागी ठेवा.
Okay. Have you really done this, Nandu sir? Do you
I
do
know
this?
it, but
Huh?
I have not done it, but I know it.
You know it. Okay. Well done. Okay. Now this is
Did the other males know that this is how it's supposed to be done?
Oh yeah, of course.
now here they are saying, of course, we don't know. But Nandu sir has proved us wrong. Okay, great. Okay, now one more question. This is for everybody. Name the actors who have played James Bond till now. As many as you can.
Daniel Craig,
Sean
Priya.
Connery.
Timothy
Okay.
Dalton, Roger Moore,
Connery,
Yes,
Roger Moore,
Daniel Craig, Sean
Sean
Connery,
Connery.
Roger Moore,
Correct.
Daniel Craig, then the
Pierce
Raymond
Brosnan.
Pierce
Pierce
Brosnan.
Pierce
Brosnan.
Brosnan, yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
Robert Brosnan, and one for Timothy Dalton. One film.
Yes, sir. Put it all.
Yeah.
All done?
There's one
अजून
more.
कोणी miss केलं?
What was that? Timothy Dalton, Daniel
Connery, Pierce Brosnan.
Robert Brosnan, Pierce Brosnan, and
I think that's all, right?
I think Rishikesh sir is trying to remember.
yeah, I'm just trying to forget. There's one more guy. Only one film he did. But I'm missing it. Yeah.
Okay. After some time, maybe. Okay, now I want you all to tell me the taglines for the following brands. Melody.
Melody खाओ
Jan
खुद जान
Jao.
जाओ.
Correct.
Then what is melody है chocolatey?
मेलेडी इतनी चॉकलेटी क्यों है?
क्यों?
मेलेडी खाओ खुद जान
खुद
जाओ.
जान जाओ.
Correct. It's better to sing it, huh? Nice, because it's kind of a jingle, no? So nice. Okay, then Lay's.
No one
No
can
one
have
can be
just one.
Just
right?
one.
No one.
Just one.
I bet you
Yeah.
can't have just one.
No one
Ah.
can eat just one.
Eat just
Correct.
one.
Jadu is right.
You know,
What about-
we don't too many lays, so we wouldn't know.
Oh, yes.
Good one. I'm impressed.
Okay. What about Move? The cream, move.
आ से आहा तक.
He said it in mute.
Oh, right.
Wonderful. Fevicol.
Oh.
ये
फेविकॉल का
जोड़
मजबूत
टूटेगा
जोड़ है,
नहीं
ये
कभी.
फेविकॉल का जोड़ है,
जोड़ है.
टूटेगा नहीं.
टूटेगा नहीं.
Correct.
फेविकॉल का जोड़
Wonderful.
और स्मिथफिट का जोड़ टूटेगा नहीं.
Lovely. Okay. Actually, I'm getting to the end of my question. I have a few very silly riddles, but do please answer. Which is the room that you can eat?
Mushroom.
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 Correct. Which nut is the wealthiest?
Peanut.
It's very silly. It's cashew nut. It has a lot of cash.
My God.
Oh yeah.
Which month has 28 days?
All.
All.
Okay. What can you break without touching it?
Promise.
Heart. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh,
Heart
both.
was a good one. Yeah. Okay, so I also wanted to ask you if anybody wants to say the dialogue of, these famous Bollywood stars, Amitabh Bachchan, Shatrughan Sinha, Dev Anand, Shah Rukh Khan. So if anybody wants to volunteer, please go ahead. That will be all from my side.
Khamosh. That's the simplest
Absolutely.
one.
Correct. Amitabh Bachchan.
ना सिर्फ ना होता है. Whatever.
मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं लेता.
हम जहाँ खड़े हो जाते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है.
So many of them.
Wonderful. And Shah Rukh, any Shah Rukh fan?
रुद्राक्षी.
Sejal, thank you. We have Ketki. Okay, thank you.
Shah Rukh Khan. I was
But
trying
you know what? Why popular dialogues only of actors? What about
Yes.
actresses?
Oh yeah, of course. Of course.
No, actresses are also actors.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the
Exactly.
female
Gender neutral.
actors.
Females, epic female
Female.
dialogues पण आठवले पाहिजे आपल्याला.
Sure. Swati, go ahead. That's a good point. Please
चल
go ahead.
धन्नो.
यूं तो मुझे बात करने की आदत नहीं है.
I always use that epic Bhagyashree dialogue in मैंने प्यार किया. दोस्ती में no sorry, no thank you.
Superb. Fantastic. Rudrakshi, thank you so much.
Yeah,
It was a
Anand,
lot
please
of
go
fun.
Please go ahead.
And I think we had this entire plan so that we could laugh a lot, and I think today's star performer was Rishikesh ji. So I really thank you, and 1,000 claps. Nandu ji, go ahead.
Nandu sir wants to say something.
I wanted to tell you one thing. Rishikesh has written 2 books, if you don't know. One is exclusively on the reviews of the movies. First day, last show. And the other one is on his observations on the airport, at the airport. Do read this for
I would love to read it.
And we would love to get a signed copy.
Yeah, totally.
Yes, so we will
Rishikesh,
all
तुम्ही पुण्याला
buy
कधी येताय?
and then we'll get.
Yeah, we'll buy and we'll call him to Pune. You're in Mumbai, right?
Yeah, I'm in Mumbai.
Huh.
Yes.
We'll call him to Pune.
He comes to Pune quite often if you call him.
Wow,
See, I don't know. Somehow this question was missed, and that reminds me if we need to call Rishikesh sir to Pune. Sejal, no, sorry, Rudrakshi, can you ask that question? I think which was included about somebody just calling her, inviting us over for a dinner, so that everybody gets a chance to come to Pune.
Sejal asked that one.
Already.
Yeah, we did.
Sejal asked that one.
उत्तर पण मिळालं त्याचं.
This-
Oh, so probably I didn't hear it. So sorry.
Color yourself if you've not paid attention.
Yes, please do so.
Color
Right
yourself.
away.
Already colored
All
my
your
book, so
face.
don't worry.
Daydreaming during the session, color yourself.
Here is the closing remark, and then Gandhali will sing a song, and then we'll close down fully. Uh, we just made this session entirely fun, and I would say that let this Holi just take away everything that we don't want. अशी आपण खूप बोंब मारली, and today's boom was very subtle as well with the questions that all of these Smith team asked. So good fun. Over to Gandhali, and then we'll close the session.
Come on. Okay.
Badshah, Gandhali, I didn't know that you are a Badshah fan.
Gandhali, anything.
Badshah, definitely not.
No, Kishore
Star
Kumar will
Portal
also do
vodka.
any song that you like. Yeah, come on.
Join you.
Yeah,
We'll
please, all of
join
you
you.
join me.
Seriously.
Yeah, please join. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो ये पल जाने वाला है आने वाला पल
जाने वाला
Thank you.
Thank you, Gandhali.
Superb. What a message. Thank you so much. And thank you all for joining in
Thank you.
today's fun session.
Thank
See
you
you
so
all
much.
next Friday. But before that, Tuesday and Thursday.
I think. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you again, Rishikesh sir.
Yes.
Have a great
Thank
Holi and a
you.
great weekend. Please stay safe.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you,
wish all the
everyone. Happy
same.
Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Bye.
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 Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.